Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Aliexpress locked account. So let's dive into it. If your Aliexpress account is temporarily locked, start by checking your email for any message from Aliexpress explaining the reason. So this could be due to suspicious activity, payment issue, or policy violation. So open the Aliexpress app or website, then try signing in. So if you see the locked account notice, click on the appeal or verify option. So you may be asked to provide identity verification account a document like your ID, payment proof, or order history. So after submitting the required details, wait for AliExpress to review your case. This will take between 1 to 3 business days. So if you don't get a response, contact the AliExpress customer service for their live chat or their help center, and avoid creating a new account during the process as this can cause more delay. Once verified, your account will be unlocked and you will gain access to other and messages, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and